No measurement. I just drop it in there. Well, they out today, huh? It is a nice thing. This side, put it in Big Bird. Usually, I make my own dirty rice, but see, I'm lazy. So I'm using this, and I'm only using crawfish. I'm not using any ground beef. So, y'all don't know how fun it is to have your own place. I mean, I've always had my own place, but your own house. So, when I chicken, I'm just gonna use little simple ingredients: salt, onion powder, for your chicken. You don't want to over season it because that grill got mesquite wood, and that's gonna do what it need to do. So I might add some tuna. I ain't feel like getting my hands dirty either, so we did this. So got that good color to it. Smell it. Add a little bit of black pepper. Oh shit. That one already open. I think this one almost last leg. I think. Stir in that black pepper. It's because you want it on all of them. You don't want one particular piece to have a lot of black pepper. So. That's good. So. Let it cook a little bit. Got that crawfish smell. Just add a little Old Bay. It's already cooked, so it really don't matter. But stir that up. Two. So really a whole bottle of water. Gotta stir around that mix, cause if you don't, that shit gonna lump up. I hate when I go to people's house and it don't be. Just be ashamed sometimes. Stir that up for a little bit. lumps be big. I don't know why they. I don't know if it's because the packages be old or they just be sitting there or what. But sometimes that heat do not break it apart, so you have to kind of chop it. Whatever you're using to cook. Corn looking and smelling good. Okay, pretty much got that done. Next is the cake. Y'all, I got one of these. You know why? Because I'm 30. And I've been wanting one of these. My grandma used to have the cutest cakes. Oh, I can't wait. What is 1/3? Oh. 1/3 oil. Yeah, it smells so good. 3 eggs. 1. That'll be yours. 2. I don't think I got enough time today. 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray this. Yeah, you can just That's the seafood dirty rice. Lobster tails, crawfish. Time to take out the cake. Baby, that's it. That's it. Baby, look at my cake. Another lighter? Can you bring it? We don't do buns. Guess that's one thing we forgot to get him.
No,
That's a
you
lot.
said bread.
No, I'm talking about lighter.
Yeah.
You're gonna do that like that. You're gonna turn down your heat.